Tshipi Ntle manganese mining exploded onto the international manganese scene in 2012 when it commenced with the mining, processing and exports of its semi-carbonate, medium-grade manganese ore mined at its open-cast mine called Tshipi in the Kalahari manganese field located in the Northern Cape province of South Africa. Waste development and infrastructure construction commenced in 2011, and the first ore was exported only 20 months later. By February 2018, Tshipi had exported in excess of 7 million tons of manganese ore, placing Tshipi among the 3 largest manganese mines in the world and the largest in South Africa. Tshipi's ore body, which is contiguous to that of South 32's Mamatwan mine, has a total resource in excess of 460 million tons of manganese, which is one of the largest manganese resources in the world. Tshipi's ore deposit is very homogeneous when compared to that of its competitors, making it easy to mine and produce a consistent grade which is well established and sought after in the market. The mining, which is performed by Avenge Moolmans, the leading mining contractor on the African continent, is a simple drill and blast and load and haul operation. A flexible and highly competitive 5-year contract was negotiated late in 2015. Which now allows the operation to easily match its production to market demand. Tshipi operates 2 processing circuits. The first is a primary crushing circuit reducing run-of-mine material to -300 millimeters, and then a secondary crushing and screening circuit which further crushes the ore and screens out the final lumpy product at between 6 and 75 millimeters. The plants, which makes use of chemical dust suppression, require nearly no processing water and were designed to ensure that fines production is limited to 15% of total production. Tshipi currently has the processing capacity of 3.6 million tons per annum on site, and if required can easily increase this capacity through the mobilization of additional mobile equipment. Tshipi private loop rail siding, which is approximately 8 kilometers long, together with its rapid loadout station, which can load a bulk train of 6,552 tons in approximately 3 hours, is the envy of the entire South African manganese industry. The siding is also the only siding in the manganese sector which can accommodate a 208 rail wagon train, which creates a significant logistical advantage for the company. Tshipi is a clear industry frontrunner in its utilization of supply chain technology and has ideally positioned itself to be Transnet's customer of choice. The 2018 financial year, which ends on 28 February 2018, is turning out to be a year of many unique achievements for the company. Tshipi became the largest exporter of semi-carbonate manganese ore from South Africa, with forecast manganese ore sales for the period reaching up to 3.3 million tons. Management's continued commitment towards cost reduction, coupled with the robust performance of the commodity price, has also seen record profits being generated, placing the company in a position to repay shareholder loans of 2 billion rand and declare its inaugural dividend of 600 million rand. The new financial year, starting in March 2018, will see Tshipi maintain exports at 3 million tons per annum. Tshipi's main focus areas and initiatives for the year are to be the first manganese producer to obtain a footprint in the port of Kucha, to convert additional road volumes to rail, construction of a conveyor belt to be connected to the permanent secondary plant to the final product stockpile area to reduce the cost of double handling, construction of a substation to connect the national grid to replace the current diesel-generated power, implementation of a people strategy to become an employer of choice, and to embed systems to sustain the current production levels. Tshipi Ntle is accordingly uniquely positioned to play a pivotal role in the ultimate consolidation of the Kalahari Manganese Basin.